Howdy folks, and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to those who have followed along. Sorry for a little bit of the hiatus. It's been absolutely slammed around here. Just trying to keep ahead of everything, and it's show season and weed abatement season and what have you. So things get a little bit insane. So, man, I look forward to a little bit of a slowdown and get back to working on the antiques a little bit more. I haven't had a chance to touch any of them. It's kind of a bummer, but anyhow, in the meantime, we've been to a parade and a small tractor show there locally, and getting ready for another one here next weekend. So it's 100 years of cat, so they asked if I could bring some cats out. Well, let's see if we can get the old 7U started. You know, it'd be a good one to take out there for an anniversary and a good maiden voyage. So, all right, last time we went to fire it up. It's cranking, but will not fire on the pony motor. You haven't even got the main motor cranking over yet. So, by the grace of God, if we get the pony motor going, I'm going to engage the main, and we're going to see where it takes us and follow along and see what happens. But I haven't tried to start it other than the last video, and literally pulled the magneto out, swapped it out with a hot one that I had on the shelf that I should have just done originally. Anyway, ADHD, you know. So, here we are. It's time to moment of truth here. I got gas in it, topped off all the water, and fixed actually a water leak too while we were on that little hiatus. So got a lot of little trinkets done on it, and if we can get it fired up, we're going to go take it on some test runs, get some hoses and service done, and you know, we can push some dirt with it at the show. So we'll see how that goes. But it's got oil. We checked the pony motor oil level, we checked the main motor oil level, we checked the water level or coolant level, and everything looks good, and I think we're ready to give it a shot. We got diesel. I'm going to open up the bleeder on the filter housing. It's got new filters in it, and we can get it to crank. I'll bleed air out of that. Once I got fuel coming out in a steady stream, I'll close that valve off, and then we'll start getting fuel up to the injectors, and hopefully we can get the injectors to pop open. If we do, then maybe we can get some fire out of it. So let's see what we can do. Toss a lukewarm battery in it. By lukewarm, I mean not hot. Because, yeah, God forbid I have a charged battery. Alright. Okay. Compression's released. Magneto is in the run position. Fuel valve on the dashboard, being that this is a dash start 7U. Alright, she's open. It's in neutral, clutch is all released, pinion's disengaged. Alright, let's see if it even cranks over. Holy smokes, it worked. Alright, so let's see here. Bottom of throttle, put her at a high idle, we'll choke it. And there we have it. Absolutely no action. Alright, on to the next. Gotta check the spark plugs. And jump the battery. This is going to be take two. I'm going to give her a little liquid encouragement with some brake clean because I'm out of starting fluid. But yeah, it works the same in gas motors. None of it's really good for them. Oh my goodness. I think I may or may not have left the magneto switch off. Oops. Yeah. even us seasoned professionals, I use that term like very, very loosely. Yeah, we screw up sometimes. I think I may have just drained the entire battery cranking it and didn't even pay attention to the magneto switch. That's right, I hooked it back up because this mag's good. It's off a running tractor. All right. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you work on them after a 12-hour day, and then you come home and work another 4 or 5 hours and go to sleep for an hour or two, wake up, do it all over again. All right, off-grid problem number 100, and God, I think we're up in the 190s now. When you got to charge a battery, the only choice is solar maintainer. Takes a couple days, not an option. Or you hook jumper cables to it and you hook it up to the truck. Or you fire up a generator and you run a battery charger off the generator, but you're burning twice as much diesel as you would if you just jumped it off the truck. Or you jump it with the welder. Yeah, just jump it off the truck. It's easier. All right, this is take 3. The magneto switch is on. It was also on. Neutral. All right. Contact. A little bit of liquid encouragement it is. I think it's time I stop being a cheap ass and get a good battery for it. Guess I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. Try to shoot a little bit more footage and we'll go from there and see what we come up with. But anyway, we're coming up on this tractor show coming up next week. I'm gonna try to do some filming of kind of how we get stuff ready when we load it up on the truck. I'll try to get a couple of videos of that. Although if you work for OSHA, I don't know who you are. Never been here before in my life. See ya. Yeah, just kidding. But yeah, no, it's pretty sketchy. Watching some of these go on the trailer, people always seem to gather around when we're at shows and whatnot. But I've been doing this a long time, so I'm a little fearless, and that also feeds into it. So anyway, we're really excited. This stuff's going to be moving right along and going to get back in the swing of things. Let's see what we can get done, and I guess on to tomorrow, old friend. This one's going to fight me, but I always win. Just a matter of time.